China has achieved a significant medical milestone. They have successfully cured a diabetes patient. How so? Using a pioneering cell therapy. After only 3 months of treatment, the patient was no longer dependent on insulin injections. Our next report telling you more.
There just might be hope for those suffering from diabetes. In a significant medical milestone, Chinese scientists have successfully cured a patient's diabetes. How did they achieve this feat? Using a groundbreaking cell therapy. A team from Shanghai Changzheng Hospital, the Center for Excellence in Molecular Cell Science and Renji Hospital have developed this treatment. All the details have been detailed in the journal Cell Discovery. The patient underwent the cell transplant in July 2021. Within 11 weeks, he no longer required external insulin. If you or someone you know has diabetes, you could understand how tedious these insulin shots can be. Fortunately, the patient did not need them anymore. Over the next 1 year, he gradually reduced taking oral medication for blood sugar control, reaching a point when he didn't need them at all. Follow-up examinations showed that the patient's pancreatic functions were effectively restored. How did that happen? The new therapy involved programming the patient's blood cells. It transformed them into seed cells to recreate pancreatic islet tissue in an artificial environment. Let me break that down for you. Our body needs insulin to maintain blood glucose levels. The pancreatic islet tissue contains beta cells that release insulin. In diabetes, these cells stop working, so body stops producing its own insulin. It becomes dependent on external factors for that. That's why patients need insulin injections and constant monitoring. However, the new cell therapy can transform some of the patient's blood cells into seed cells. These cells can function as the beta cells of the pancreatic islet tissue and release insulin. Therefore, a diabetes patient doesn't need to depend on external insulin anymore. This approach leverages the body's regenerative capabilities. It's an emerging field known as regenerative medicine. China can significantly benefit from the new treatment. After all, it has the highest number of diabetes patients globally. 140 million people in China have diabetes. 40 million rely on lifelong insulin injections. This new cell therapy could significantly reduce this burden. Bureau Report WION, World is One.